Redpack is a manufacturing company of packaging machinery. We manufacture machines actually on site, build and buy locally. We produce around about 70 machines per year for different variety or different areas within the packaging industry. A few years ago we set up a work experience with some local colleges, schools and the University Technical College. The students that were coming through from the T levels were ready to do the job. Literally within the first week we realised we'd taken the right step. They brought some fresh ideas. It's given us the advantage to be able to market our company better to potential employees of the future, and it's also given us an opportunity to see those employees way before we have to go through giving them a full-time job. The one thing we do have with all of our students is their attitude, their willingness to learn and to move forward. There's a variety of different characters, but as I say, one of the big things is they want to be here. One of the surprise benefits T-level students bring in is they take our blinkers away. So they force us to look wider. They can help to challenge us as a business. They're adding value to our business and they're doing real work. It's not something we have to simulate or make up for their college course or anything like that. They are doing just like any other employee would be doing here. So they're adding value to our business, they are productive, and I would 100% recommend T-level placements for any business or employer. They bring an extra element to your business. It's a simple process to do and they are very, very productive.